In today's video, we are converting our basic sleeve pattern into a dartless sleeve pattern. The purpose of this conversion is to simplify the pattern drafting process for the different designs we are going to create. Also, some sleeve designs with wide hemline like flare sleeve, bishop sleeve, and other sleeves with fullness like puffy sleeves do not require elbow darts. Now let's get started. To convert your sleeve, you will need your basic sleeve with elbow darts. If you don't have one yet, I have linked a video up here in the card. I've also linked it down in the description to help you create your own. You need a pencil, large pattern paper, and a ruler. Now let's start drafting. Start by tracing your basic pattern with elbow dart onto a fresh sheet of paper, just like so. The dartless sleeve pattern is different from the basic sleeve pattern with elbow dart in two main ways. One, as the name implies, a dartless sleeve pattern does not have any darts. And two, it does not taper at the hem. So the two main alterations that we need to do on our basic darted block is to eliminate the dart, then widen the hem of the sleeve. So that's what we are going to do. So first, I'll square a line down from the bicep line to the hem of the sleeve. If you don't have a square ruler, you can measure the biceps line, then input that same measurement on the hem to get a straight line down. Square another line from the other side of the bicep line straight to the hem, just like so. Now we are going to eliminate the dart. So we are going to measure the line we've drawn from the side that doesn't have any dart to the hem to know the length of the side seam of the sleeve. Then we will input the same measurement on the side that have a dart. So in this case, when I measured, I got 19 inches. So I will take that same measurement and measure on the other side of the line to get an equal length and mark like so. Now draw the hem line by joining the 2 points to create the hem of the sleeve, just like so. Our dartless sleeve pattern is ready. The red lines after the biceps line down are all no longer needed. So what we have now is the blue line and then the sleeve cap. That is now our sleeve. We have successfully converted our basic sleeve pattern with elbow dart to a dartless pattern. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share so that others can find the video, and comment what you want us to do next. We will be using this pattern to draft different designs of sleeves, so when you draft yours, please keep it safe. And don't forget to label your pattern with the pattern name and cutting instructions. Until next time, bye bye.